Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me on this video. Today I'm going to show you how to add more than 100 pages in Canva. The maximum page limit in Canva was 100 pages. Now they increased this page limit to 150 pages. I think this is perfect for all KDP sellers because mostly the journals and notebooks they are around 110-120 pages, and now we don't need to combine them in different softwares like I Love PDF and so on. So let's go straight to Canva and I'll show how it works. And guys, if you like videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button, notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. So with that being said, let's get started. There you go, we are in Canva now. Let's say for this instance we're going to create 6 by 9 notebook, let's say 150 pages without bleed. So we're going on create a design, custom size. We need to change this, this is very important thing. We need to change this to inches. 6 by 9, create new design. So this is going to be our template. Let's say we're going to create just blank wine notebook. To add wine, you can just type L, and from here we need to customize this. I'm going to create this wine thinner. From here I can change the color, let's say dark gray. I think it's too white. Let's make it even more darker. This is also dark gray, and because it's very thin I can make this wine size 2. Yes, it's perfect. I'm gonna make this wine longer. So for text just type T. I'm going to move this on top and type notes. Let's change the font. Let's say make the size bigger, 24. Let's choose something else, let's say this one, and I'm going to make this 36. Perfect. So let's say this is going to be our font. Let's change the color the same like the lines, and now just hold on the line and start typing Ctrl D to duplicate this. Now I'm going to move this on the bottom, grab all of them, position vertically left. I'm going to grab them again vertically. Okay, I think I'm gonna add a little bit more lines. Same, vertically left. I think now is perfect, or I can add more. So now we have our page already, and you can start duplicating from here, or you can go here on grid view and it's going to be easy. I'm gonna duplicate this 2 more times. You can duplicate this from here, or you can grab them and with Ctrl C copy them and start with Ctrl V. So now we have 10 pages. Grab all of them, Ctrl C, and start typing Ctrl V until Canva show us message that we reach the maximum page amount. So Ctrl V, just type Ctrl V. Yeah, it's a little bit lagging, but just wait few more seconds. Actually, this is new for me because they increase this amount to 200 pages. It's strange. I didn't know this. So this is perfect because we can create even bigger books. That's very nice. Now let's go on normal view, and now I'm going to download PDF print and download all of them. Let's download them, open the file. As you can see, 200 pages file ready to go on KDP. And also, if you are Creative Fabrica user, you can download interior with more than 100 pages, and you can download straight away in Canva. Let's do this as well. Let's go on KDP interiors. KDP interiors. Mega editable bundle. Let's open this one to see, but probably because this is going to be bundled with lots of pages. Let's say 200 pages planner. Let's see if we're going to find something. Perfect. I'm going to download this one. Done. Extract. Just wait a few more seconds. Okay, this is the PDF file. And now I'm going to Canva. So go on Create a Design again. Import file. Let's find the PDF file. And I'm gonna upload this, but I'm going to blur my Canva because I don't wanna show my designs. There you go. The file is uploaded, and I'll open this in a new tab so we can change the colors from here. Not every PDFs are equally made, and some of them you can modify completely, some of them you can't modify everything. So as you can see, this one we can change the colors. But we have 200 pages uploaded. And if you don't have Creative Fabrica subscription, you still can get advantage of their $1 promotions. You can get Creative Fabrica just for $1 for the first month, and you can use all the features. And after that, if you decided to renew, it's going to be with 35% discount. It's going to be just $19. They've got lots of files, fonts, graphics, everything you need for your KDP or print-on-demand journey. So with that being said, guys, I hope this video was helpful for you and you learned something new from me. If so, hit the subscribe button, notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. All related links will be down below in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.